Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove lens flare in Picsart. To remove lens flare in Picsart, first of all, go ahead and open the Picsart application and go ahead and select the photo you want to edit and import it on your editing screen. Once you are done with it, go to the bottom menu and click on Remove. Now, with the help of your brush, cover around the object you want to remove in order to use the removing tool as shown on the screen. After you've learned from this screen's tutorial, you can click on Crush at the top left. And then, with the help of the brush, go ahead and make a circle around your lens flare on the image. Once you cover around the area with the lens flare, click on the Remove button at the bottom right, and this will help you remove lens flare from your image. After you are done, you can click on the Apply button at the top right and save your change. So that is how you can easily remove lens flare from your Picsart application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.